Hello, guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 22nd, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus left. I've done the first one, binary, then I will do the medium and the killer Sudoku. And there's in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus, six I believe, and only three of them I will solve. But first we will solve this baby to Sudoku or not to Sudoku. Yes, that's the question 3430. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So let me start with the 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. You see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only three places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, the only place for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Then, how about the number 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me think. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. You see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Okay. And I believe I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number the number 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I can continue with the 5, yes. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need to wait again for the 5. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Alright. And now three, 8, 7, 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, it could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7, no 7 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. And I've marked earlier with those two boxes with the 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Okay. 2. Now I cannot continue with 2. How about the number? two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, now I can continue with the 5. 5 in this column, the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Alright, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in the in this row. For the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. And we have a pair. 2 and 8 in this row, 2 and 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 6 in this first column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 numbers left. 1, 2. 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. Okay. Here also 2 and a 4. Well, we see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row, the second row, for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2, and the 3 are missing. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. 1 box left in the last column. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Yes, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Correct? Alright. And I like this one. I really do. Yes. Because for a 27 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, well, it's a 1 star. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third regular Sudoku. A killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.